Now we're going to talk about some terminology in terms of what kind of data we actually collect. Everything is data, even if it's not numbers. I could ask you what your favorite movie is, and that would be data. I'd be having all these different lists of movies and so forth, that would be data. And I might be interested in what the favorite movie is of all college students, not just you guys. And so that would be a different group. So we have like labels and terminology to talk about everything here. So we're jumping up at the top of page 8 there. Types of data. The first two lines are about parameter and statistic. They are both numbers or values that measure something. Maybe you want an average. We call it a mean in statistics, but maybe we want an average. Thank you. The average age in this room is different than the average age of all college students. They're both averages and they're both average ages, but the difference is you are a sample, you are a smaller group out of a bigger population. So when it talks here about a parameter, a numerical measurement describing a population, that's a number that would describe the large group. If I could actually get the average age for all college students ever, that's a lot of college students, but if I could go and get all those ages, that would be a parameter because it represents the large group. Notice parameter starts with a P, population starts with a P. Helpful to remember which one goes with which. And then a statistic describes a sample. A sample is a small group out of the bigger group. So if I happen to choose you guys as my sample, and I got your average age, that would be a statistic. The whole reason we learn statistics and all this terminology is that in real life, most of the time it's too time consuming to get the entire population and measure it. I mean, if I really wanted the average age of everybody, think I'm really going to go get all those ages? But I will take the statistic and use that to approximate what it is for the large group. So you'll be asked, is this number a statistic or a parameter? Statistic means it represents a sample. They both start with S. And parameter for population. Are we okay about sample versus population? Population is the big group, sample is the small group.